Angelo, and this secret project is about making a wall-outlet secret compartment. The wire from the right goes to your Arduino's ground, and the wire from the middle goes to the positive 5 volts. And the wire from the left goes to the 9th digital pin of the Arduino. Okay, as you all know, the servo's wire goes to the upper left part of the outlet. So the prong that we made that's connected to the Arduino goes here. Download the Arduino codes from my website or from Instructables, where I posted my guide. So open your Arduino's IDE, then upload the sketch to your Arduino. Okay, after uploading it, start to open the serial monitor by pressing Ctrl-Shift-M. It says here, enter O to open the lock and C to close the lock. Please enter O. Now let's enter C.